Oh, you wait.
Puzzle, Mikey? Oh, no. There. What's that?
These lights.
Yeah, you did it, Michael. Hey, whoa. What's that? No, oh. Is that the lion? Yeah. Oh. Which one? Which one? Try another one.
You did the rainbow before.
That's a good one. Yeah, sure. Which one is that one? Try that one. Try that one. Yeah. Where does that one go, Michael? What's that in that picture? Otto. That's Toto. Where's Toto go?
Whoa.
Yes. Oh, what's that? No. Oh. Lion. Look at that. Very good.
That goes there, hey?
What is that, Michael?
No, oh.
A lion? Spotty? Is that a lion spotty?
No, that.
Oh, you almost got it. Look at that. Should we maybe turn it around?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Very good.
Who's that? Who? Huh?
Oh, that's very good.
I think you got it. Wow.
Very good. Maybe it's more up. Oh, you did get it.
Wow.
Who's that?
No.
Wonder where that one goes.
No. Up it.
You wait.
Oh, you know that one. Where does that one go?
Just one at a time, hey? Yeah, one at a time.
Up and down.
Oh, what? More?
Is that a rainbow? Wow.
Push it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Good.
Well done. I don't know if that's right.
Whose legs are those?
No.
Doesn't look like it goes there, does it?
Should you wait maybe with that one?
No.
Can you see yellow in that one?
No.
That's so good.
Wow, that was a funny piece. No.
Very good. Push it down a little bit. Push it down. Oh, you have this right. That's perfect. Oh, that's so good.
Wow. 2 more pieces, Mikey.
Very good.
Wow. 1 more piece.
Yay!
Wow.
Look.
Let's see that fancy puzzle.
Wow.
Who put that together? Who did it?
Michael.
Mikey, let's see your face. Did you do that?
Yeah.
Mikey, let's see your tongue.
Good night.
Nay.
Night? What do you mean night? Were you going to show us your puzzle?
Oh. Does anyone want to see Joshua too? Just quickly, hi Joshua, because this is my puzzle piece.
Oh, that's grainy. Let's see those teeth, Joshua. Here, let's get the...
Can we just get one of his puzzle and then we can do more?
Hi Joshua. Hi baby. Hi. Okay, nighty night.
Good night.
Mike, nighty night.
Nay. Nay. Nay.